Ensure the printer power switch is off and the power supply is connected. Prepare a static safe work area. Before beginning, remove the media and allow the printhead to cool. Grasp the printhead spring and pull it to the left, then slide it free from the carriage. Use the printhead spring to remove the printhead clip on the right side of the carriage. Pull the printhead and bracket forward. Use a No. 1 Phillips driver to loosen the screw holding the ground wire. Gently pull the wire bundles from the printhead. Install the printhead spring into the carriage. Position the printhead and secure the ground wire with the screw. Plug the wire bundles into the receptacles on the printhead. Insert the bracket pegs into the left side of the carriage. Align the right side of the bracket. Insert the printhead clip through the right side of the carriage and into the bracket. Verify the printhead moves up and down freely and remains locked when released. The angle of the spring V fits into the indent on top of the printhead bracket. Clean the printhead before using the printer. Rub the pen over the dark stripes several times until clean. Allow the printhead to dry completely before installing media and closing the cover.